Hey, what's going on? So I'm going to quickly show you in this video how to show button text or how to show text based on whether or not a product is available. I recently set this up for a client, so I wanted to also show you how to set this up in case this is something that you wanted to set up on your store. So if you look here, this is the code that's needed to set this up. The first piece of code that you're looking at is whether or not the product is available. So in this case, it's checking to see, is the product available? If the quantity of the product is 0, that means that there's no product available, then that's when the code is run. So you want to make sure to add that. So this is going to stay up here if you want to be able to copy this code down and implement it in your store. But that's the very first part. Check to make sure that the product is available, because you only want the button text to change, or you only want that text to change if the product is not available. So we're coming in here. Basically, what we're looking for is a meta field with limited edition. We set up a meta field on specific products that are tagged or are shown as limited edition. You might have it set up differently, but for this example, specific product variants have a meta field of limited edition. What we're doing here on this line is we're selecting all these product variants with that specific limited edition meta field. When the page is loaded, we're going to look for all the buttons on that product page. So product page being where you have the product, you have information about the product, the button, which allows customers to add the product to the cart. So that specific button is what we're looking at here. When the page is loaded, we're going to look for the button on that store. And then if that specific product is loaded, which in this case it is, you want the button to be read sold out. So maybe it says, so in this case, you notice how it says out of stock. So previously it was saying out of stock. The client wanted the text to, instead of out of stock, to be read as sold out. So that's how you would set this up here. Again, I'll go through it one more time. It's very simple. First, check to make sure that the product is not available, because you don't want a product to say out of stock if the product is in stock. So very important, add this if the product is not available. Then go through and look for all the products that have this meta field, or look for all the product variants that have this meta field of limited edition. Go through when the page is loaded, check for that add to cart button, see whether or not this variant is loaded, and then change the text to, in this case, sold out. So that's how we were able to set this up. You may have a specific use case, but this is the general form of how you would set something like this up to be able to check for different things and then to perform an action based on whether or not something is happening. So I wanted to just quickly share this with you. If you have something custom or you need help setting this up on your store, you like help implementing it, I'd be more than happy to help you out. All my information is down below if you want to reach out. But once again, I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.